Hello friend, good morning. Welcome back to my new video. In this video I will show you how to redeem your money from Crownit. So you can see guys, I have received a sketch card from Crownit. Click on the link and a sketch code. You can see 31 rupees I received. Select your number and then click on claim button. Guys, you can see 31 rupees I received. Hey, your reward of 31 Paytm has been credited. So guys, let's check my Paytm. You can see also in my Crownit in my activity 31 Paytm approved, and now you can see my Paytm wallet. Wait, I click on my Paytm. You can see 31 rupees added to my gift wallet. Thanks for watching. Please make sure subscribe and like my video. Have a nice day.